Today we talk about how can you change language on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on account down here. So when you just click here on account, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here. You go above this side, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Sorry, you click here on communications here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to language preferences, click in this sign. So then here can you select your language here in this list on your app. So when you're done, just click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.